Hey, what's going on? This is MinisterGold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial update on the music player. Somebody made me aware that I did not really go over how to update the song that is playing. That is like show which song is playing next when it changes songs, and I figured out how to do that. So I'm going to quickly share with you how to do that. If you find these videos helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk to me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming Life General, please follow me on twitch.tv/MinisterGold. Okay, so first of all, I am on version 1.3.0.5. I'm going to go to the menu, go to the top left, go to Music Player, and you need to do one simple thing. Okay, you need to go to where it says On Song Changed. Click on the pencil. You're going to add a chat message. Okay? Very simple chat message. It's just going to say, now playing, $, music player display. And that will show the title. And I think it'll also show the artist, although it's hard to test for me because a lot of my songs don't have artists associated with them for some reason. Let's test it. I'm gonna hit next. Oh, okay. This does have the artist. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So it'll display the artist first, and then the name of the music. But let's say you don't like how this is displaying. Let me show you, by the way. This is how it looks. It looks like this. Okay? It displays the artist first and then the title. But let's say you don't like that. So if you want to change it, this is what you do. You'll go to the music player section for the documentation. And here you have the music player title and the music player artist. And now you can decide which order the information is displayed in by putting it in this chat message. And that's it. That is pretty much it. Turn this down. It is very loud. Okay. Alright. I hope that was helpful. Let's turn off this music. Okay, I really hope I don't have to record this again. Okay. Anyway, if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials like these. If you'd like to talk to me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming Life in general, please follow me at twitch.tv/MinisterGold. Alright, see ya.